Hey guys, I recently bought some mystery boxes from Babe's Nail Shop. No, Babe Nailz Shop. I cannot get it right, sorry. So I've already unboxed the small one, so go and check that video out. But today we're going to be unboxing the larger one, which I'm so excited about. So let's get into it. Just for reference, this cost me $60 Australian, and I also used like a 10% discount code, so I saved a little bit of money on top of that. But let's get into it. There's so much stuff in here, I'm actually so excited. So the first thing that we have is two little stickers. I think the Babe Nailz Surf Shop, I think that's their new collection, which is so exciting. So yeah, we've got those, which is super cute. So the first thing in here is the Shiny AF top coat. Come in these super cute little holographic bags. So we have the Shiny AF top coat. How cute is that? So excited for that. Next we have these cute little gems. They're like little hearts with like a stone in the middle. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you, but hopefully you can kind of see. Yeah, they look super cute. So got those. Then we have a acrylic powder in Fiji water, and I feel like this is from a new collection. Let me just double check that. I feel like the Surf Shop is a new collection, but I just want to be 100%. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try out Babe Nailz for so long. It is part of their new collection. I think it's called the Baycation collection, but yeah. So this is part of their new collection, which is so exciting. I can't remember if I said, but it's in the shade of Fiji water and it looks absolutely stunning. But then we also got another acrylic powder. This one is in To the Moon and Back. Also exciting. Mind you, these tubs of acrylic are so big. Like, I feel like they're such like good decent sizes. Next we have this beautiful little glitter. This is actually so cool. Look at it. It's like little hexagons and it's got like purple and pink, and yeah, so excited for that. And then the last thing that we have in here is a candy chrome. This is the blue one. We'll do like a quick little swatch of her. That's so cool. Okay, the swatch didn't come out that great, but I feel like it's one of those things that like needs to stick to like a tacky base, so I feel like it'll be great on your nails. So that was everything in our large box. Let's add it all up. I feel like we've got a really good value in this one. So both of our acrylic powders are $27 each, so that's like basically already a value there almost, because I paid $60 for the box. So yeah, just those two alone is almost your $60. Our candy chrome powder is $20. These are called the Handle with Care Charms, and these are $8. Are they? Is that what they are? I think they are. Oh, cute. And you can choose what colour is in the middle. So we got ours in soft blue. So cute. So yeah, they're $8. And then our top coat is $21. So that brings our total to $103. That's $40 extra. Oh my god, and I forgot these. Hang on, sorry. One last thing. I think this is called the Blossom Raw Glitter. I'm 90% sure. And this is $8. So that brings our total to $111. So over $50 extra value. So yeah, I just feel like this has been like such great value and such exciting products. I love that they've got products from their new line in there. And I have to say, between this box and the other box that I got, there was no repeat products. So I feel like that's just really great. I feel like you can tell that this is obviously like a small business, someone that has a lot of passion and is like packing these boxes herself. I think I saw a TikTok or like Instagram post or something of her like packing these boxes herself. So you can tell that she's gone the extra effort to make sure that there's no repeats or anything like that. And I just think that that's really sweet and really lovely. And I feel like it really shows when you care about your business and the products that you're providing. So yeah, I'm super happy with these. So excited to try them out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.